Hi, and welcome on behalf of IRS Tax Relief Attorneys. If you find yourself needing help with your tax situation, you should look for an experienced tax resolution company. A good tax resolution company with experience will not make false promises and will conduct a full analysis of your particular situation to better inform you of the best plan of action and the most likely outcome. You can easily spot companies that are not reputable if you know what to look for and then be able to move on to the next company before wasting your time, effort, and money. So here are some things to be aware of in a tax resolution company. When you hear pennies on the dollar settlements from a tax resolution company, they mean you can file an offer in compromise with the IRS. Although this can be true, it is highly unlikely. Therefore, if a company states they can settle your debt for less before they do a complete analysis of your specific tax issue, this should be a big red flag for you. It's hard to qualify for an offer in compromise, and no one can guarantee that will happen, especially without fully knowing your tax situation. Be aware of a tax resolution company that asks for large amounts of fees up front. This can simply be a way to lock you in and cover for their bad services. A reputable company will ask for smaller retainer fees or none at all and pick up on the rest of their charges with good quality services. Online reviews can tell you a lot. Simply Google the tax resolution company and see what you find. Keep in mind that a few bad reviews is common for most companies. However, if there are an overwhelming amount of bad reviews by customers, this should also send up a big red flag. Stay away from a high-pressure tax resolution company because you don't want to feel backed into a corner and rush to make a decision feeling pressured. Here's what you do want in a tax resolution company. A free tax analysis. The analysis tells them how they can help you while appraising your tax situation to better determine the right course of action needed for your individual case. Definitely get a quote for their services. And years of experience is very important. The more, the better. The person that is directly handling your case should be someone that has experience with your type of situation and not someone in training. Ask what the outcomes were in similar cases they have handled. And a good rating with the BBB. A good Better Business Bureau rating for a tax resolution company is a C+ to a B. So run away from those that have an F rating, as there are many out there. Be aware of any name changes a company may have, because this is a way for them to get around a bad BBB rating. Good experienced tax resolution companies are out there. The value that they can provide certainly outweighs the cost. When you know what to look out for and what to avoid in a bad tax resolution company, can make it a lot easier in your search to find a good one. For more help or more information, please contact us at 877-886-1646 or visit us at irstaxreliefattorneys.net. Thanks for watching.